Hello there, YouTube friends. It's been a minute. And I do apologize for that. I got a new job, so that's been really crazy. And not to mention, this came super late. It came about a week and a half later than it normally comes. So I'm glad that it's finally here today. So what this is my, what month is it? August. August IPSY, and the bag is pretty cool. It's a very, I don't want to call it metallic, but it's not like a mirror either, although it is reflective, but it's this really cool, I really don't even know what to call it. So while it is really cool, what I'm noticing now is you can see all your dirty fingerprints all over it. Let's go ahead and dive on into this bag. Brief disclaimer, as with all IPSY videos, I start with nothing on my face, nothing in my hair, so I can try on these products. The first item that I have is the one that I chose this month, and that is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in Your Beauty Sleep Nighttime Moisturizer. I've been debating trying this, like buying it on my own and trying it, but it's costly, but not as costly as other moisturizers, but still I have not been able to pull the trigger on this. So I'm really excited for this. There's no seal on this, which always makes me really nervous when these things come just ready to open, but it is a light lavender color, and the scent is lavender as well, so it makes sense. I'm not going to put this on my face right now, but I like the feeling of it. Although it is a cream, it does feel like a gel, I would say, more than a thick cream, and my skin responds really well to gel moisturizers, so ooh, I am going to love this. I'm so happy I get to try this. Right, the next product is a full-size blush from OFRA. Score! OFRA blush is in the shade Blush Bellini. Now, although this is a full size, and I'm very happy with it, I love the color of it, to say, I'm a little nervous to use this because the texture on this is extremely weird. Like, not like any other blush I've tried, and it's also hard to see, but there are two, like, little spots in it that are darker. Like, I don't think it's mold. I don't think blush can get mold, but it almost looks like it got wet. So that's kind of nerve-wracking to me. I'm gonna put it up here and see if you can see what I'm talking about. So instead of putting this on my face, I'm going to swatch it on my hand here, and you really can't see anything. I'm trying not to touch those weird parts because I don't know what they are. But it looks just like a nice, like in between a peach and a pink to me. But I really like this. I'm just kind of nervous to use it. Like I said, the texture is really weird and those spots are in it. Let me know if you guys think I should actually put this on my face. Next product I have is really cute. It's this Hey Honey Trick and Treat Lip Balm, which is a watermelon balm with natural tint. And on the back here it says this lip balm is free of mineral oils and is designed to protect, relieve, and repair your lips. I've never heard of this brand, but I think this is a cute little idea. I don't know why I keep thinking that it's also a cheek tint besides just a lip tint. Like, I keep wanting to put it on my cheeks and not my lips. Okay, so last month I got this lip oil from Ciate London, and it was a watermelon oil, and I went into this whole spiel about how it reminded me of the Lip Smackers watermelon from when I was a kid, and this smells exactly like that as well. Yes. I'm also going to do a little swatchy swatch here. That's a very odd feeling. You can't see it right here. It might be shiny in the light here, but color-wise you can't see it. That's a very odd texture. It's not oily. It's not glossy. It's not creamy. Like, this is super weird. I wasn't expecting it. I'm gonna show you. I wasn't expecting it to be thick like this. I don't know if you can see that, but it's really thick. That's super weird. In terms of color payoff, there isn't any. I feel like you would have to put that entire tube on your face, or your lips, sorry, in order to have some color show up. So the fact that it says it's a lip tint, oh, it doesn't. It's just a lip balm with a natural tint. So Definitely a natural tint, but in terms of actual color, it doesn't have a lot of color. Coming up next is this IPSY Beauty Lush eyeshadow in the shade Flowerchild. I do like these little single eyeshadows, and I have another one from IPSY Beauty, and I like it. It's a really good eyeshadow. I don't know, it reminds me of a clamshell, and this one's really pretty. Okay, it is a nice golden color here, so I'm going to scoot closer and put this on my eyelids. Once again, disclaimer, I have nothing on my eyelids. This is just going onto straight skin, so that's how it's going to go. Noticing that it is super dusty already. Wow! Holy cow! What? Guys, that's without primer. What? Holy cow, I'm loving this. Yes. Without primer. Without primer on my eyes, without a base color underneath, just on straight skin and a light color. Wow. It's rare that you get colors like this. What? You can't tell. I'm pretty darn happy with this right here. Like I said, nothing on my eyes, no primer, no base color, nothing. And this is what shows up just going onto straight skin for a light color. Yes. And the final product I have is a eyeliner from Pixi. This is the Endless Silky Eye Pen in the shade Matte Mulberry. So I did the preview, you know, on IPSY's website where you can see what you get before you actually get it. And I thought this was going to be like a red or maybe like a deep purple, purplish red. Something in the red or purple family. But it looks like this is brown. Now I'm going to try to take the package off, which is always the hardest part. Okay, definitely not the color I was expecting. As I mentioned, I was expecting like a reddish or a purple, like just a deep color. But, you know, this will do. I'm going to scoot closer again and apply this. See, and now it looks like it's coming off as a red or purple. What do you guys think? Brown or reddish purple? Any hoodle. What I love about these Pixi liners is they really do go on so silky. I'm like super confused as to what this color actually is, because in the stick here it looks brown, but once you get it on the skin it does have more of that reddish tone to it. And I'm not mad about it. I do like it. It's not for a dramatic look. I will say that. Don't use this if you want dramatics. But it is a very nice color and it's very natural looking. Well, I am super happy with my August bag. It does make up for the wait that I had to wait. I am most impressed with this IPSY eyeshadow. Oh, like I was not expecting that. And I mean, I got a Pixi liner in an awesome color, a full-size blush, even though I'm kind of on the iffy side about it. And this, like I scored this month. What did you guys get in your boxes? Let me know. Let me know if you've tried any of these products. Let me know if I should try that blush. And I can't wait to see you guys in another video. I'll see you soon.